Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to fix the issue of Capcut templates not showing on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, ensure that both apps are up to date. Let's navigate to the Google Play Store app and open it. In the top search bar, enter TikTok to find the app. Tap the TikTok app to open its page and make sure the app is updated. Now let's check the Capcut mobile app. In the search bar, type Capcut and search for it. Open Capcut's official Play Store page and update the app. Once you are all done, let's go back to the home screen and find the TikTok app to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, open the profile section from the bottom right of the screen. Now from the top right corner, tap on the three lines and a new menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. From this menu, open Settings and Privacy. In this new menu, scroll down to find the Report a Problem option and tap to open it. In this section, tap on the Video and Sound option. In this topic list, tap on Video Editing and from the drop down, open Using Video Effects or Video Filters. Open using voice effects or voice filters. Try the instructions that TikTok mentioned in this paragraph. If the problem continues, tap on No to assess the Need More Help option. Here, write a message to the support team explaining that the Capcut templates are not working and request their assistance to solve this issue. They will contact you within 24 hours and help you resolve the issue. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.